Alright, we're going to do a mixed football break. Let's start off with Limited 09. Followed by, wait, come here, and then it's Exquisite. Good luck, everybody. Let's hope for a lot of nice cards. Alright, our base cards: Lawrence Maroney, Patriots; Kerry Collins, Titans; Phenom's rookie of Gartrell Johnson for the Chargers; James Lofton, Legends, Packers. First hit is Kenny McKinley, Phenom Auto for the Broncos. A draft day jersey of Michael Crabtree, number 31 of 100. We got a gold monikers autograph of Don Maynard, 34 out of 50. Lot 2. Alright, base cards: Jake Delhomme for the Panthers, Tony Gonzalez, Falcons, Larry Johnson, Chiefs, that's a random, Jim Otto for the Raiders, and an autograph for the Panthers of Tony Fiametta. We've got a Phenoms 3-color patch autograph of Derek Williams for the Lions, 146 of 149. And a dual jersey for the Redskins, Mike Sellers and Chris Cooley, 77 of 100. There you go, move on, box 3. Big fat one here. Torrey Holt for the Jags, Jamal Lewis for the Browns, Steven Jackson, Rams, Roger Staubach, Cowboys. And we got a redemption. Rookie Jumbo Signatures. Rookie Jumbo. Where's my checklist? Rookie Jumbo Signatures, card number 7 is Percy Harvin. Percy Harvin, Jumbo Sig. Then after that we got a Jumbo jersey of Ray Lewis for the Ravens, number 32 out of 50. It is for the Texans. Dual jersey of Andre Johnson and Mario Williams, 28 of 100. Box 4. Thin one. Hope it's not 2 rookie Phenom autos, and hope that it is some kind of legend in there. We got Roethlisberger for the Steelers, Lamont Jordan, Broncos, Lenny Moore, Colts, Dan Marino for the Dolphins, and for the Bengals, Ray Maualuga, Phenom rookie auto. Jumbo jersey for the Browns, Brian Robisky, numbered 47 out of 50. Gold moniker auto. This one's for the 49ers, Hugh McElhenney, numbered 39 out of 50. Here's the 5th one. It doesn't say on the card what Percy's number 2. It doesn't say on the redemption what's number 2. Alright, we got Lawrence Maroney, Patriots, Tom Brady, Patriots, Jim Brown, Browns, Ted Hendricks, Raiders, and Dominique Edison, Phenom auto for the Titans. Then Derek Williams, Jumbo jersey for the Lions, 12 out of 50. Brian Cushing, Phenom rookie auto for the Texans, number to 199. Unlimited. We got Premier next.